At first I didn't seem to care about love, but suddenly you came to me, following me around. I thought I told you to stop staring now. Why don't you listen to me? Stop calling